Alright, back here on John's 88 Vet. We're draining our coolant. Come on, baby. There's an O-ring off our drain cock, which I'm gonna have to get. So I'm gonna get ready to start taking everything off for our water pump. Because of course, it always wants to find the next weakest link. Hey, remember that show, The Weakest Link? With that real bitchy lady?
Yep.
Yeah. I don't know why, bro.
The weakest link.
Goodbye.
Yep.
Yeah.
I actually really liked that show.
You ever been told that in the bedroom?
No, thank God.
Oh, that's good.
Normally, I like to whisper very, very dirty things to people in bed, like, get out! Or, your taxi's waiting. I'm good that way.
Nice. Anyway, coolant's draining. Gonna start getting things disassembled again on this poor car. Alright, so got our air cleaner assembly and all that off. As you can see, got our big old plate off the end of our water pump pulley up and out of the way. Got our air injection pump up and out of the way. Working on getting our air injection tubes up and out of the way. Then once that stuff's gone, belt can come off, all that bracketry can come off, pulley can come off, and then we can access our water pump. Lots to do. Burns. So while I was over taking care of the wagon, you took the, you got all that bracketry off, all the other lovely fun.
It's not gonna work either.
Oh man, this is a blast. So Mr. Water Pump is almost ready to say see you later.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the fueling lines.
Oh
Hey, the
god.
cool part, if anybody wants to know, don't be like me. Open your eyes. There's a little cover right in this area that you can undo to get to the bottom bolts of the AC compressor. It makes it a lot easier.
Hey everybody,
FYI.
open your eyes. Burnsy's blind. He's been busy though. He had a busy weekend. This man's been working like Scotty works on his Tinder. Just kidding, not his Tinder, his grinder. Because if he did Tinder, he'd have a girlfriend.
Probably, knowing me, it'd be all pink in the middle. I mean, really.
Jesus.
There you go.
Hey, once he goes,
Here's your son.
here's your son. Scotty's on.
I'm about ready to throw both phones, considering I don't even know where the other one is right now.
I don't know. Scotty's on.
Back pocket.
Hey, if it was up your ass, you'd know where it was. Oh, guess where it was?
Back pocket.
Conveniently located. Scotty's in casual attire as he is off the clock. He's just chilling.
Yeah, with
He's
really
got-
bad knee issues.
He's got one that's turning purple and one that's twice the size of the other. So
Holy crap.
That's
Why
fun.
Is this one so
and Burnsy's over here about to shit his pants.
pretty much?
Go shit your pants, homie. Whoa, that looks like a fun way to do it.
Well, can't get a wrench in there. Can't get a speed wrench in there. And
Can't really move the rest of this BS out of the way easily.
butt.
What?
And your butt.
Whoa, wait a minute.
Oh, Scotty's butt.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Who's putting some boogie in my butt?
What?
Boogie.
What? Who?
Put a little boogie in the butt. Boogie in the butt.
For someone with a knee
You
that's
did better. You did-
absolutely jacked, you still dance really well.
I want to say you
Not
did
bad for an
better
old white
on
guy.
Thursday.
Oh yeah.
But you're country dancing.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that was a rare show.
Yeah. Last week was a really good week.
Scotty was boot scoot boogieing.
This week, the knees are like, yeah, no, you ain't doing. And I mean,
That's-
I'm even swollen down to my legs.
Yeah, go to bed.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go back
Past
to
your
bed.
bedtime.
He's going night night. It's almost 3 o'clock. They serve dinner at the old folks' home right about now. He's gonna beat my ass.
I like it.
Oh shit.
I'm just kind of curious. Do you think you can handle 65 psi?
No.
I can.
Brush yourself. I'm good. Good night night now.
Just saying. You know, asking for a friend.
Axing for a friend.
Asking for a friend.
I'm gonna ask you a question. Be careful, Scott.
I always am.
Yeah, stairs aren't fun. Oh, Jesus. So, we need to undo this
Excuse me.
bolt here.
Excuse me.
No!
You're in my way.
Yes,
You're not videotaping what you're moving.
Yeah, but I'm just videotaping. Videotape? What is this? 1997?
You're not recording.
Are you on high 8? Remember those? The little tapes? They're like, yay. Our parents probably both had those cameras.
Never mind.
Your first sex tape was on one of those?
Yours is. Your little pee-pee.
Little pee-pee. Anyway. Alright, water pump's almost out. And then we will go from there. Good job, Mr. Burns. Burns, hold that up. So, remember when I called it? Look at that. Out the weep hole. Hold it right there. Steady. Let's go. Oh, yeah. It was leaking out of the weep hole. You can see the staining. It's been doing that for a while, but it probably got worse now that the system actually was doing its thing. And you can see it on the gasket here, too. Crispy critter. Wet on both sides. All right. Well, we called that one. Ugh.
That sucks.
It sucks because the bearing's good.
Yeah.
But it's only got 6,000 miles on it, but it's 36 years old. Dude, this thing's old enough to have grandchildren, kind of.
30.
Do the math. 16 and 16 is 32. That's technically possible. I mean, I'm pretty sure we went to school with some chicks that were grandmas at 32.
Oh, how old was my mom? How old is Riley?
What, are we making fun of your mom right now? Just kidding. We love your mom.
Huh? Close enough. My mom was like 37, 38.
Dude, I know at least 4 chicks we went to school with that are grandmas already.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, I'll turn the camera off and tell you 2 of them.
Okay.